Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So this is me, Rudra Tharwa. Today I have come up with a great way to enhance our fluency, guys. You may have watched lots of videos on YouTube to enhance your fluency, but those are not worthwhile, and you must have practiced as well, okay, and you must have applied their ways in your English journey to have that better fluency. But yeah, somewhere you just practiced for some days but you could not see any improvement. But today, guys, you know that I always bring genuine videos on my channel, and if you have been watching my videos for a long time, then yeah, you can realize how a genuine video I bring, which are very informative and useful. Because you know, guys, I always tell you whatever I have experienced in my English journey, that is what I always intend to share with you. I don't look at any person's English and I don't judge any person, then I bring video. Not at all, guys. Whatever I feel, whatever I experienced, on that basis, I try to make that video. And to be very honest, guys, I never prepare myself before making any video. Literally, I never practice. And somewhere I feel like if I practice, then I could make better video. The way I'm making, yeah, it may be good, but to make it better and better, yeah, that would be great, I think. But well, guys, I don't feel good to practice more before making video because what I need to exaggerate here? Of course, nothing. Whatever the things are true, those things only I have to share with you all. So anyway, let me not get you bored. Let's come to the point, guys. So today, we will learn here how to improve our fluency, how to get that fluency in this English language. Well, there are many different languages. If you are learning those, then of course that you are following that a tip and that any steps to gain that fluency. But when it comes to this English, we become very serious, all right? And sometimes we panic as well. Why? I'm practicing on the daily basis, but what's the reason behind it? I'm not improving my fluency of this English language. So guys, see, I don't know how my fluency is, how I'm speaking here, but the level of fluency I have, that I have gained so far and that I have developed, all right, in this English language, it is all about practicing. I have never paid lots of money on this English to gain this fluency or to learn this language, guys. Not at all. The thing I have done to have this fluency and to learn this language, that is my hard work. I was really passionate about this learning, guys. So due to that, day in day out, I put my effort, showed my devotion, enthusiasm in this English, and today I am right here in front of you and speaking this level of English. I don't know what is my level of English, guys, that you can know, because the person does that work, he himself cannot understand that or cannot realize. So yeah, if my fluency is better here, if you are able to understand that, then that's enough. Okay, so what I did to enhance my fluency, what I did in my past in this language to have this type of fluency. Well, guys, I have not done anything, sir. I have never had a dream. Okay, after that I started doing like that. Not at all. A very tiny thing that I have drawn to have this fluency, that is only reading. Of course, why you will go for reading? Because it's very monotonous thing. When you go to read any such books, then you start yawning in this way, okay, and you start feeling sleepy as well. But I'm not suggesting you to read any type of random book or any books as well. I know those are very monotonous nowadays, okay, compared to past. But what you need to read, guys, to improve your English language, you have been watching lots of English content on YouTube. But you know what you are doing? I always mention you are only listening to them and simultaneously you want to enhance your English and you are striving to build your confidence and develop this skill. But guys, have you ever tried to speak along with them? I think you have never. Because it's very easy to listen to any English podcast or any English contents, guys. When it comes to speak, of course, we have to put a little bit more effort in our mouth. Only then we can speak, and that time you are very lethargic. So, guys, don't be lazy. Whenever you are watching any type of English contents videos on YouTube, try to read with them. Literally, when I started this English journey, I used to read a lot, guys. Though I was not using all the words correctly, lots of mistake I used to make. Okay, but I used to avoid them. I was not focusing on my grammar, on my pronunciation, so just and on those vocabs and sentences as well. What I was focusing, just I was trying to speak after them. That was my motive to have this fluency, guys. Means, I was not understanding each and every point of theirs, or each and every sentence of theirs, but my intention was to read with them, no matter whether I understand or not. And 10% out of 100% English I was able to understand. Rest part of the English I was not understanding, but I had my consistency on this reading, guys, and gradually I started understanding their speaking, their words, their sentences, and I was able to catch their points as well. All right, and sooner or later, I was able to pronounce those all words properly. Yeah, still there are few words which I don't know right pronunciation, guys, but I'm still working on that. All right, but this thing I have applied in my English journey to develop this fluency, guys. So you can also do it. And just I'm telling one thing, guys, seriously, you have to remember it. By reading only few days, you don't need to look for your improvement, because success doesn't come overnight, guys, and you cannot see a first improvement overnight. You have to work for some days, you have to work for some months as well, because this is not a piece of cake to have this fluency. And by thinking and by listening to others, we are not going to have this. Rather, we need to practice. And one more thing, just I would like to suggest you, try to speak as simple as you can. Don't make your fluency a fancy, guys. I have seen and I have noticed when they start speaking in English, they make their fluency very fancy. So, guys, that time it is not good to hear. Exactly, it doesn't sound good. Now, if I say hello guys, here I'm speaking about that this, and I don't know English, but yeah, I'm trying. So in this way, it's very fancy. So why you will pay attention on my English? Because that I belong to Odisha, a state of India, and this is very bad fluency. I'm just exaggerating. I'm just showing off. So guys, due to that, don't make your fluency fancy. Just speak as natural as you can. Okay, so that's all, guys. This thing just I wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you got that. So if whenever you are watching any type of English video, just try to read. Okay, now you may say that yeah, they are not adding subtitles, guys. You are advanced persons. Okay, if that person has not added subtitle in his video, then you can turn on that CC subtitle button. All right, then those subtitles will be appeared automatically on the video, then you can easily read that. So try to use your brain, by the way, instead of only judging yourself and getting into the trouble. So hope you got some ideas here, guys, and if there is anything missing which I could not articulate here, or which I could not tell here, then you can let me know in the comment box, because I already told you I have never seen and planned before making this video. Just I thought to make, I just made it and conveyed my thought. And so thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are new here, guys, then hit the subscribe button, because this kind of valuable content you will be getting on this channel. And if you found this video interesting, then give a thumbs up as well. And for more inquiry, you can let me know in the comment box. So thank you so much. And one more thing, where you are watching from, guys, I don't know, so please let me know your exact place from Odisha. Thank you.